ADA Price Prediction 2021. When will ADA finally take off? Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. It is no news that ADA is one of the hottest topics for discussion in the crypto market today for many good reasons. There are silent whispers that it could even eclipse the market cap of Bitcoin and Google someday. The fact that it offers more than being a store of value, unlike Bitcoin, makes it a real contender as the crypto that has the potential to have a market cap that is beyond the achievement of Bitcoin. Also, the fact that it is a smart contract platform that eliminates any form of censorship puts it in a good position to keep rising. It is predicted that Cardano will eventually reach $100 in at least 4 to 5 years from now. This video will discuss this possibility and the reasons behind this optimism. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. ADA is the native currency of the Cardano blockchain. It has managed to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world in terms of market capitalization in the first 6 months of 2021 due to the grit and strategic moves of its developer, Charles Hoskinson. Remarkably, since November 2020, this coin has increased by a massive 1,300%. Outstanding, isn't it? Indeed, the surge has been tremendous, to say the least. It is more remarkable to think about this feat when you consider that the price of many coins around it has been dropping during that period. Therefore, it will be ridiculous not to take note of ADA as a serious crypto investor. The coin kept breaking its all-time record and was very close to $2.50 by the middle of May 2021. In the midst of drowning cryptos, ADA kept rising, which shows that the demand for this coin is on the rise. One of the factors that lead to an increase in the price of any commodity is when its demand is higher than its supply. In other words, if there are more people that are willing to buy it than the ones that are willing to sell it. So, the fact that the price of ADA has been increasing shows that there are more people that are willing to buy it than the ones that are willing to sell it. The amazing thing is that experts believe that this is just the beginning. For a coin that was launched just 4 years ago, it is evident that Cardano is punching beyond its weight. When it was launched, the price of one ADA was just 5 cents. Many crypto traders never envisaged that it could rise as far as reaching a price point of $1. Guess what? It is over $2 now. It is natural to quickly get a calculator and imagine how richer you would have been by now if you had purchased even $1,000 worth of ADA at that point. By early November that year, the gold rush led to the increase of many coins, and Cardano also benefited from this surge. Its price increased to $1.40 during that period. However, just like many cryptos, the price started dropping, and it dropped as low as $0.001. Many investors in this coin must have been regretting by then. Still, the resilient nature of ADA showed during this turbulent period. It survived while its counterparts faded away. It began to surge again, and by April this year, it had broken its all-time high when it became $2.47. A remarkable comeback, isn't it? If the story of Cardano's fall and rise is a Hollywood movie, it would have been a blockbuster. The good news is that the same energy that took the coin this far is far from dissipating anytime soon. Could it even get better? Sure, why not? A quick check of the current price might discourage you. What do I mean? As the price of other cryptocurrencies began to crash in the early week of June, it also affected ADA. It dropped to just a little above $1. Its current price in the early week of July is $1.42. Sad, right? Still, if ADA could surge from $0.001 to reach $2.47 in less than 4 years, who can bet against it turning a corner and even going far beyond its all-time high in the next 4 or 5 years? The reality is that the volatile nature of the crypto market can mean that the price of a coin can drop ridiculously low. However, it also means that the chances of a crypto rising extremely high are also very plausible. Since the early week of June, Cardano has claimed back about a third of the losses and is up over 740% year to date, YTD. The implication of this is that the demand for this coin is increasing. Looking at the fundamental aspect, Cardano remains the solid, energy-efficient platform it has always been. At a time when China has declared war on Bitcoin mining due to energy consumption issues, Cardano is waxing stronger due to the release of the Alozo hard fork, which has attracted $30 billion in ADA coin staking. So, there is consensus that the recent drop in the price of ADA is only a slump that it will recover from in no time. This is the reason I said earlier that the same energy that took Cardano his far is far from dissipating anytime soon. Comments from whales in the market such as Elon Musk are some of the factors that affect the price of cryptos. A tweet from a man of Musk's ilk can transform the fortune of a coin in a positive or negative way. Comments made earlier by these major investors did not affect Cardano earlier in the year, unlike Bitcoin. However, it was affected when China opened war on cryptos. However, when compared to the coins around it, it is still one of the least affected cryptos by this unfortunate turn of event. One of the reasons it is waxing strong despite these unfavorable circumstances is due to an upgrade in its systems. The introduction of the Alonzo hard fork in Q2 of 2021, after the Mary hard fork, which went live on March 1st, has been a game-changer. This explains the reason Cardano has been attracting attention and funds while other coins are crashing. Considering the history of Cardano, how it has weathered the storm in the past, and its strategic approach to business and minting, the chances are very high that the recent slump will be over soon and it will rise again like it did in the past. What do you think? Do you feel that the recent slump has come to stay? Do you think that Cardano will surge again in the future just like it has done in the past? Are there areas this video did not consider? You can let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be looking forward to reading every remark and feedback in the comment section below. That would be all for today's video. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.